Hello and welcome to Open News. Thank you for clicking on the video. Please like, share, and comment. But today it looks like Georgia Appeals Court disqualified Fulton County DA Fani Willis from prosecuting Trump. A Georgia Court of Appeals on Thursday today disqualified Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis from prosecuting the case against President-elect Donald Trump and his alleged co-conspirators over their efforts to overturn the 2020 election. A long-awaited decision in the state criminal case against Trump that was already on hold raises questions about whether the case can move forward in court. The appeals court found that Fani Willis' office can't prosecute the case, so new special prosecutor would need to be appointed for the case to continue. The appeals court found that a significant appearance of impropriety was enough to potentially taint the case in the public eye. The appellate court decided, however, it wouldn't dismiss the sprawling racketeering conspiracy case entirely. While we recognize that an appearance of impropriety generally is not enough to support disqualification, this is a rare case in which disqualification is mandated and no other remedy will suffice to restore public confidence in the integrity of these proceedings, the court wrote today, Thursday. The court added, "We cannot conclude that the records also support the imposition of the extreme sanctions of dismissal of the indictment." Trump and some of his co-defendants have been trying to get Fani Willis, a Democrat, disqualified from the case because of a romantic relationship she had with Nathan Wade, the special prosecutor she hired to handle the case. The defendants argue that Fani Willis financially benefited from the relationship with Wade, whose defense attorneys say covered several vacations for the pair. Fani Willis's office could still appeal the ruling. Wow. Yeah, I remember that case where she was actually on trial with Nathan Wade. Let's see. Ruling review decisions that allowed Willis to stay on case. Let's see. In their 2-1 majority opinion, Judges Trenton Brown, Todd Markle wrote that trial judge Scott McAvee's March ruling, allowing Willis to continue on the case, did nothing to prevent an ongoing appearance of impropriety that existed at the time when DA Willis was exercising her broad pretrial discretion about who to prosecute and what charges to bring. Judge Benjamin Land, however, wrote in his dissent that the majority overstepped its authority in overturning McAvee's ruling. To make their decision, the panel of 3 appeals judges could only review McAvee's ruling. They could not independently review any of the allegations that Trump and his co-defendants made about Willis's alleged affair with Wade or details of her financial gain. Fani Willis denies benefiting financially from the case and claims her relationship with Wade did not influence her decision to prosecute. "It is not our job to second-guess trial judges or substitute our judgment for theirs," Land wrote in his dissent. "We should resist the temptation to interfere with that discretion, including its chosen remedy, just because we happen to see things differently," he continued. "Doing otherwise violates a well-established precedent, threatens the discretion given to trial courts, and blurs the distinction between our receptive courts." Ashley Merchant, a defense attorney whose original court filing seeking to disqualify Fani Willis set this chain of events into motion, praised the appeals court's decision and said in a statement that Willis should have voluntarily recused herself months ago. Failing to do so put Judge McAfee in an untenable position, said Merchant, who represents Mike Roman, a former Trump 2020 campaign official. This failure of judgment is the exact reason why Roman was forced to move to disqualify her in the first place. So we are thankful that the court agreed she should not be allowed to prosecute this case any further. Steve Sadow, Trump's lead counsel in the case, said Thursday's decision puts an end to a politically motivated prosecution of the next president of the United States. Steve Chung, Trump's spokesman, said, in granting President Trump an overwhelming mandate, the American people have demanded an immediate end to the political weaponization of our justice system and a swift dismissal of all the witch hunts against him. We look forward to uniting our country as President Trump makes America great again. Wow. So it happened. I remember back when Judge McAfee ruled that she would stay on the case, and my eyebrows went up a little bit. So it looks like that the appellate court has just ruled against McAfee. And now here's the thing. Just because Fani Willis is not on the case does not mean that the case isn't going to go forward. So we have to keep our eyes out for what's actually going to take place in the upcoming months. It would be extremely precarious to have this case move forward after January 6th, after the inauguration. But let me know how you feel in the comment section. If you can, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more daily news. Thank you.